Hi, Dr. Marlette. It's Sandy Henderson, and this is the final video clip. So, my favorite part of the class was when we had spring break and we were actually able to talk one on one. That was really important, I guess, for me to get this semester because I was really having a hard time with just a lot of home life and school life. And I was becoming overwhelmed that I didn't want to continue. But after talking to you, it just made me believe that I can do it. The course content that was most helpful included, I want to say module 2 and 3 with the feedback. I always think feedback is important. The feedback is important with us as students and will be for us as teachers with our students in a timely fashion and something that can be receptive. So that's important to me. I want you to know that conversation really meant a lot to me, which is why I'm still here because I was really this close to dropping out the program actually. Um, I am really good at written communication. However, I am not good at speaking because I get nervous when I have to have those professional talks. My goal for senior year is to just overall be better and organize better so that I won't be so overwhelmed because I am. The program can help me reach these goals by, just basically doing the same thing you guys been doing, which is checking in on us, seeing how we're doing, stuff like that. Uh, I am really good at feedback now. I always thought it was important, but now I've been able to give that feedback even during our student teaching. So I'm really excited about that. My goal for senior year is to keep improving, honestly, just keep getting better. The program can help me in those things by just honestly keep doing what you guys are doing. I do feel like some teachers need to respond faster because it does take a few teachers like a week or two and they never respond, and I don't think that's really professional. I think that needs to change. uh I am really good at working with people when I absolutely have to. My goal in working with others next year is to put myself out there. I normally don't mind working with somebody if they bring it to me first, but I don't like to put myself out there because I don't know if they want to work with me. I don't know why I feel that way, I just do. uh and the program can help me reach these goals by just putting us in those groups.